Good morning students, welcome back. Today we will study about fertilizers. Fertilizers can be defined as organic and inorganic compound which contain all the essential nutrients and are vital for the soil and for plant development. Fertilizers are commercially produced nutrients which are used to recover soil fertility and for obtaining higher yield, especially for expensive farming practices. Manure cannot supply all the nutrients. In our previous topic, we study about manure, which is prepared by organic waste material. But fertilizers involve some inorganic substances also which are prepared in industries or in chemical plant, which consist of variable type of nutrients which cannot be supplied from manure. Therefore, soil is introduced with human made chemicals called fertilizers. That's why we use fertilizers in our field to provide specific nutrients to the plant for proper growth of crops. If we talk about its chemical nature, fertilizers are inorganic compound which consist of very less amount of organic substance. Inorganic means which is prepared in laboratory with the help of chemicals, whereas organic means which we get from natural substances such as plant waste, animal waste naturally. So we come to know about fertilizers, which is helpful in attaining good vegetative growth, that is growth of plant, leaves, branches, flower in the plants, and they are readily absorbed by the crops. Whereas manure is bulky, it is not absorbed completely, but fertilizers can be absorbed well. Now, what is biofertilizers? Biofertilizers are the microorganisms which enrich the soil with nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, etc. Biofertilizers are renewable and non-pollutant sources of plant nutrients. In India, the major biofertilizers used are nitrogen fixing microorganisms, that is cyanobacteria, rhizobium, anabaena, nostoc, etc. Rhizobium, we know, a symbiotic bacteria which lives in root nodules of leguminous plant, pulses crops. It increases the soil fertility by fixing nitrogen and also add organic humus to the soil. So, biofertilizers are microorganisms which enrich the soil with nutrients such as nitrogen and phosphorus. After this, we will learn about what is the use of application of fertilizers. Fertilizers are put in the crop field before we sow the crop or during irrigation. Fertilizers are not put in soil in which crop is standing. They can bring about wilting or of plants. If we put fertilizers directly to the crop field in which crop is standing, it may cause wilting of the plants. The plants may get dry due to high concentration of fertilizers around them. So fertilizers are applied to the plant, to the crops at proper time and at proper dose. If we use fertilizer in excess, it may cause pollution and even may reduce the texture and quality of the soil. So fertilizers should be used in limited amount. Now we will learn about advantages of fertilizer. What is the advantage of fertilizers? The fertilizers which we use for proper growth of crops have very high amount of nutrients as compared to the manure, and hence they are used in small quantities, limited quantities. Fertilizers are used in specific quantities and at specific time of life cycle. As we discussed, that we cannot apply fertilizers, we cannot spray fertilizers at any time of crop production, at suitable time and at suitable quantity. Fertilizers are soluble in water and supply specific nutrients to the soil. Because of its solubility, it is easily absorbed by the plants. Fertilizers are easy to transport because it's not too heavy, too bulky. That's why we can handle it and easy to transport or store. And fourth most and very important thing, that fertilizers increase the yield, which would produce good economy, which would give good economy to the farmers. Thank you.